Hello everyone, this is Reverend Dr. Gilberto Rosado for the Bitcoin Wealth Program, actually all cryptocurrencies and precious metals. As you've heard in previous broadcasts, this program was started for gold and the gold and silver combination, and we extended it to the platinum and palladium precious metals, and our philosophy of holding these commodities and building wealth, building a foundation of wealth, of value, as I guess a hedge against anything that can happen. And again, we have things to deal with here. We got actors on a global stage, principally Korea, North Korea, and others, and then we have this nature. Nature simply, this sun and solar flares can wipe out a lot of financial realities that people depend on day to day, and just do other types of things. Politics itself can handle and take care of a lot of things and determine a lot of things for us. So it's pretty much something that is accepted that gold is like the best thing to have in your home safe when things go wrong. So we created this program around building up gold, having gold in your hand, and first a gold coinage and then a bullion, just to have it in your hand. And you know, that gives a lot of security when especially when things are not too sure. And then I started to investigate the crypto space. And initially I was not going to get involved with it, but then there were certain indicators that I started to note that gave me the indication that we should do something in crypto space, and especially at this moment, as opposed to waiting for a later time. And I think waiting too late, it will dissipate the real advantages of getting involved in crypto with the safety and with the profit, the potential profit and wealth building character. I think the opportunity is ripe right now, before the cryptos become cemented into the global financial structure. I think the global financial system is going to, and trying to at this moment even, trying to rein in the wild horse, if you will, and they're going to try to tame it. There's still time, and in this time period there is the greatest opportunity for regular folk to really do what regular folk did back in the gold rush days. Quite simply, this is the gold rush, ladies and gentlemen, and if you're not getting your gold right now, you are really missing the opportunity big time. There are going to be names, wealthy families established within the next 2 to 3 years in the crypto space. This is the opportunity that you have right now, and if you don't get on board immediately, you really are missing out, and you're really going to be kicking yourself in the rear end. History will remind you that you should kick yourself in the rear end for not getting involved. Now, the main issue that most of you will say that's it's a problem getting involved is all the risk, especially today. when we look at today, what's going on today, it's like just ridiculous to a lot of folks. Now, I just saw. Let's see what the level is at right now. One moment, let me take a look at it. Right now, as I'm speaking to you, Bitcoin is down to 9,813 right now, right this second, according to Crypto Compare. So it was trending higher just yesterday, or the day before actually, and it's just started to slightly move down, and then today just broke underneath the 10,000 level. And a lot of the Bitcoin people are just sweating it. These are the things that we warned about. We warned you guys about the way everyone's going into this Bitcoin and crypto space is not good. It's not healthy. It's not even mentally healthy for people, and that's my area. I created this program to make it safe because it's a safe program. The method is safe because you don't risk any of your money, your present money, the money you have right now in hand in your bank account, in your wallet, is not touched. It's nothing changes. It's just simply you join our program and you begin to increase the wallet, your possessions in your wallet, your holdings and underlying holdings in your wallet, and that's all. Really, in a day like today, we're happy. I know the graduates, our program takes about 5 months of training. We provide you training, and in those 5 months, people who are graduating today, who are finishing up today, they're happy as can be because they're getting a lot more Bitcoin today than the ones who graduated 2 days ago. So, and again, this is not any monies that they've invested or put into it, and they're enjoying moments like these. Isn't it wonderful? None of our members are stressing it right now. It's a wonderful moment because all of our members, when the price of Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency goes down, our members are happy as can be. Because all it means is that more Bitcoin is going into their wallet. That's all this means. And, this is an up and down game. This is not an all downhill game. There's some uphills here happening and some peaks. So our people are just elated. And wouldn't it be great for you, instead of feeling stressed out? I know someone brought in, it's just so ridiculous. I've been talking about this for a while now, and it's incredible. People still out there, still buying into Bitcoin is foolish. It's just totally foolish to do that. The other day, I saw somebody commenting on one of the feeds that I monitor, and they were commenting that they just brought into Bitcoin because, of course, they saw that little movement upward, and they brought it at $10,000. They brought how many coins at 10,000 bucks, right? Incredible. And then just a day later, they've already lost at least $1,000 per coin that they bought. And they're sweating it. They're crying. That's like the quickest loss of money ever, right? I mean, and it can get worse. But the only people, the vast majority of people in the crypto space, they're going to cry it. They're going to feel the pain. I feel for you. But at the same token, I've been saying, and I've been talking about my program where you don't have to spend any of your money. There's no reason to cry. Plus the fact that you're making more crypto when things are happening like this. While investors and day traders are crying and, oh my goodness, I should have waited for the day to buy it, right? it doesn't matter to us because we're gaining Bitcoin and crypto every day of the month, and when it goes down, we're just making more. It's just simple as that, and it doesn't matter. It can go down to $1. Yeah, woo! Yes, you know, we wanted to go down to $1, and I know that those of you who are invested in Bitcoin, you're looking at me like you're insane. You're insane. No, I'm not. And you're the guy's insane because you're putting your money into crypto when you don't need to. I mean, I created a program so you don't have to. Simple, just join my program and earn that Bitcoin. Fill your wallet with the Bitcoins you earn through my program and other crypto, not just Bitcoin. And be happy. Be happy. Listen, oh my goodness. What could you do with 50,000 Bitcoin? What could you do? You tell me. Huh? If you had 50,000 Bitcoin, even at today's dumping going on at $9,000, let's just bring it down. Let's bring it down. $9,000 a coin. What would that mean to you if you had 50,000 Bitcoin? You understand? And for some reason, you had to sell that off, or some of it off, to pay a medical bill or something like that. You know, you without a problem, because you're making Bitcoin all the time in our program. And oh my goodness, without spending, you're not understanding. People are just not understanding. That's why I'm sitting here happy as can be. Going down, Bitcoin going down. Whee! That's opportunity. I love it. That's it. Now see, all of these people are sweating it. 99.95% of the people out there are suffering. And I'm not making fun of you guys. Don't take me the wrong way. But I am making a point. And that is that there's no reason for you to be going through this with my program on the planet. My program tells you to keep your money away from the space. We're creating new money just for the space, and just let it live in the space. You know, that space didn't exist a few years ago, okay? So just like that, it's the way it should be treated. I mean, look at it. What gives it the right to invade reality? This digital currency issue. You understand? It's not established yet. It doesn't have a right. You know, we are trying to do something with it that it doesn't have the right to, you know, to even be something that we should be bothering with. Simply, and you're going into you're creating something, and what you're doing is creating stress. You're creating problems for yourself and losing your life, losing life over a lot of things here. And a lot of these coins, a lot of them, you know, they're put up by people that want to make a quick buck, and then they leave the space. They leave their coins. So you know that. You know, if you're following the news, you know what's going on. So again, and I'm not condemning crypto. I'm saying it's going to get solidified. But before it does that, there's going to be a lot of things going on. But because of this, and the moment in time, it is the time to be in crypto, except it's never the time for you to put your money into it, because you don't need to. Because on my program, you don't need to. Simply, you don't need to put your money into crypto. Simply, my program creates crypto for you, and you just hodl it. Hodling. Forget the space. Don't let the space dominate your mentality. The only thing that dominates is the day that Bitcoin hits $1,000,000, $1,000,000 USD. That day, when that peak hits that day, that's you need to watch it that day, and you need to do what you could handle business on that day. That's all that we're doing, and that's all we're dealing with in this space. With Ethereum, with the other altcoins, there's different methods, which are just simply levels at which, at least for this person, for myself, levels where I will sell. Simply, no problem. Because I believe that you have great opportunities, even in these minuscule currencies, to really make a lot of money. And we're making more money than any of the traders. Why? Because we're not using our money. We're not investing our own money into these wallets. We're not doing it. Simply, it's not done. But when the profits are had, we're making it pure profit. This is just a pure profit. Okay, so our program just helps you to create your funds and to keep adding, because day to day, every day after your 5-month training, you continually add to your wallet daily, weekly, however it is, because during the 5-month training, you're going to learn different strategies that you'll be implementing, and depending on how you implemented those strategies, you'll see your wallet increasing either daily or weekly or monthly, whichever way, but your wallet will increase. If you do horribly, your wallet increases every year. At least once a year, you'll get that big boom, that big bump, depending on how well you do during the 5 months training, which becomes a yearly assessment period. And during that assessment time, you have the chance to bring it up to 50,000, which is the cap, $50,000 worth of crypto, whichever is the crypto that you chose for your program, your main program. Of course, there are other subsidiary, secondary, tertiary memberships that you can add to that, and those are different coins that you can add to that program, which is fine. But you have the main program, which has your main training and your main yearly qualification period phase, where you can bump up your wallet up to $50,000 worth every year, you see. But again, month to month, week to week, you're still adding. So it's just 50,000 up to $50,000 plus whatever you're doing day to day, whatever's happening week to week. So again, no need to invest your own money and to be crying out loud at this moment. We're not COLing, we're LOLing at this moment. 9,810 right now is Bitcoin. And if you had started our program 5 months ago, let's see how much Bitcoin you would have here. Let me get the calculator up and going. Okay, so we got 50,000. And we're going to divide that by 9,000. Let's see what the price is right now. What's the going rate? And we're going to divide that by the latest reading here, which is, let's see what it is. The latest reading is 9,825. 9,825 Bitcoin. And so again, right now you would be getting 5 whole Bitcoins, and to be exact is 5.089 with a lot of other numbers going down there. Bitcoin in Bitcoin, almost 5.1. And that would be what you would be receiving today in your wallet, which more than you know, what was happening a few days ago, and even a couple of weeks when the price was up higher than it is. So this is still a good moment. It's a great moment if you're not putting your money in. It's a great moment if you haven't spent your hard-earned dollars or whatever they came from, and then you're suffering losses all the time. Simply, if within this program you don't worry, if money goes down, the Bitcoin goes down, so what? Because now the new Bitcoin you made today, you're getting more Bitcoin for your money. Simple. Because when you're holding, your game strategy is not what's happening today, tomorrow, the next day. Your game strategy is waiting till your level is reached. And the only reason you should be doing Bitcoin at all is if you believe that Bitcoin and crypto is going to reach a certain level someday. Because if you don't believe that, then you really shouldn't be doing that. Do gold. I have it. You know, you can do my gold program. Do that, you know. But if you're going to do crypto, you have to believe that crypto is going to be worth X amount of dollars someday. And then simply my program builds up that crypto with your performance, your tasks, daily tasks, about 15 minutes or so every day. And it's still, you start building up that crypto, and you hold it and you just wait, you know, and every day it's adding and adding and adding to your wallet, and you're just sitting pretty. When the days that crypto goes down, like today, you're great, because when at the end of the day you've made more Bitcoin. You have to understand that in this program you're making more. When you do the trading like everyone else, you're losing. You lost. See, there's no more Bitcoin being generated. You're losing the value of the Bitcoin you have. But in our program, you are gaining Bitcoin. You're gaining. You're not losing. So that's the differential here. That makes a world of difference. So when you're gaining Bitcoin on a day like today, what's the problem? You see? There isn't any. It's all good. Days like today and worse days that can come. I mean, somebody I think was fooling around. They said it went down to 4,000. I mean, that's like outrageous, right? But for us, I know you guys will be, oh my goodness, I protect you guys, please. I'm doing something for you, really. I mean, goodness sakes. But if Bitcoin, I'm going to give you a warning. This is a heart attack warning. What's coming up now? Heart attack warning. If you're a sensitive and delicate to a heart attack, you must go away from the screen and not hear what I'm going to say now. Okay, that's the warning. Now we begin. All right. So let's say that Bitcoin does go down to 4,000. So because that can very well happen. I'm going to say it louder so even those who put down the bomb, that can happen very well. I've already played. So we'll put in the $50,000, 50,000, and we'll divide that by a 4K Bitcoin price, which is outrageous, outrageous. But for us, it's good, because then we get 12.5 Bitcoins. Whee! Then we'll be making 12.5 Bitcoin. You know, this is exciting. It's exciting. I'm going to tell you right now. And you know, some of you guys can be doing. Let's see. You guys, when the price goes down like that, very easily on one of our premium promotions that you'll do, you can clear about. You can reasonably clear about half a coin easily at that price monthly at minimum. So like every 2 months you can be adding a coin just on one thing. Just on one thing. We have, you know, tens of them, 20 or 30 or more different ways of you adding Bitcoin to your wallet. Is significant. Now, we're not doing any shaving or dusting of Bitcoin. This is significant additions to your wallet. So you can really do fantastic in our program, especially when the Bitcoin price goes down. Then you're really racking in. From you know, at a price of 4,000, that someone said it dipped down for a moment today, which I don't believe. I think they were just fooling with people, which is a nasty thing to do. But in any case, when it goes down like that, if it should, and today was your graduation day, you would have 12.5 Bitcoin, and quite frankly, if someone was in our program and only doing the yearly qualifier, and that's all you did, was every year you qualify for the 50,000, it would take you, with the prices that they were, as they were before, or even today, even at today's pricing, it would take you about a good 2.5 years, 2 to 3 years, to accumulate the 12.5 Bitcoin that you can have right now. Well, if it went down to 4,000, so and that's if you were just doing the qualifying phases and just doing that in our program, which is really stupid to do because you're missing out on a whole lot more Bitcoin. It's ridiculous. But anyway, I'm just saying, what's the worst case scenario? And in fact, what's the worst case scenario? Some people ask, well, what happens if all the crypto in the world collapses and everything is lost and all your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency means nothing? What happens then? Well, what happens then is that every day you continue to make money. So it's not Bitcoin. Now it's just money. Is that a problem? Instead of you getting the $50,000 in crypto, you get $50,000 in money, USD. And I know it's more in euros, right? It would be more in euros, more in sterling, but 50,000 USD. See, with our program, and that's another good point, in our program, it doesn't matter what happens to crypto. Everybody can go broke. The whole system can collapse. The sun flare can knock everyone out. And what happens the next day with the members in our program? They keep making money the next day. That's all. They have all their money because they haven't invested it into crypto. They have their food in their cabinets. They have the clothes on their back. They don't need to sell anything in their home. Simply, life goes on in our program, but it goes on with more money because that's what we're getting. We're making money. Simple. See? So that's what makes our program better. It's a better program. It's a better way of doing crypto. It's more safer than anything else. It's more smarter than anything else. And if you watch this and you still are on the limb, then there is something wrong. Simple as that. You gotta be having some serious issues. Simply go to classiforium.com and make yourself a member of the virtual assistant program. I'll try to get that up for you as I can. Get yourself at classiforium.com, 50K job 5D. Doesn't matter if you don't need a job. Doesn't matter if you're not looking for a job. That's not the point. You want to make Bitcoin? Well, then join that program right there. Because when I send you the questionnaire, I'm going to ask you, what do you want to be paid in? And simply, you just say Bitcoin, or Litecoin, or Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash, or whatever coin you want. You can choose any of them. Any coin, any token that is exchanged on the market, you can buy and sell. You just indicate which one you want to do, and that is it. That's the end of the game right there. And then you have no more crypto worries. You go through the training. It's a very complete training, 5-month qualifying period. You do your best. You do more than 15 minutes to make sure you get the $50,000 award, and that's it. And pray that Bitcoin goes down on the day you graduate, because that day is when we're buying your crypto. So you want it to go down to $4,000 or $1,000 that day. Not a problem. Not a problem, because it'll go up again eventually. And like I said, if you're doing crypto, you have an idea. Yeah, I want to get into crypto. You have to have the idea, not because I'm telling you. It's because you need to have it. If you don't have this idea that it's going to go up, it's going to peak up and be up for a little bit, enough time for you to sell, then don't do crypto. It's simple. Do gold. Gold stays, pretty much the boring it is, but at least it stays. Gold has staying power, and our program was made for the gold and precious metals commodity. That's why I created. And I only opened it up to the crypto after I saw certain indicators that crypto would be a good option at this moment. And it is the best moment to get into crypto. It has nothing to do with the pricing, folks. It has to do with the state of the space in relation to reality, in relation to the financial markets, to what the governments are doing or trying to do or planning to do. A lot of little things like that show that this is the right moment. And my program is the best program because you don't spend your money in the space. We're creating, just like the space was created, it's a virtual space where we also create money that is converted into crypto in separate from any money you have right now. Has nothing to do with it, so don't worry. There's no worries here. There's only happiness. Crypto goes down to $1,000 a coin. We are having a party. I'm going to break out the champagne. That's the moment to celebrate. And the people, my students that graduate that day, woo, they're going to be full of Bitcoin. Full of Bitcoin. And everyone else in the program earning Bitcoin daily, all your cryptos. That's a wonderful day. A wonderful day. But everybody else in the space is having a rough day today. A rough day today. Because that's what happens, again, you're taking a risk, and it's the idea that without risk, there's no gain. Except without program. I made it risk-free. Your present money, the money you have right now, the money you depend on, the money you have that you could invest it, I'm telling you, don't. Keep it. Do it the safe way. Do it with my program. Okay, now for better news, even more so. You think that was great? Well, the greater news is still that I'm doing drawings. I'm giving away free upgrades to our basic membership, pro membership, and to our mine ownership. And so we're having a drawing. Right now, we're having a free drawing every week. And then it's going to turn into a daily drawing, but it won't be free anymore. So let me tell you, and I'm going to give you some ideas how to leverage with this thing. Listen, I did the one on Periscope already. We had a winner at the pro level membership, which is great. I mean, that's over a $400 value right there that one of our Scope viewers gained with the drawing. And that was a free drawing, so he didn't even have to pay the $10. It's just a free drawing. So they run it right out of the blue. Then this coming weekend, and I'll let you guys know which day. If it's going to be a Sunday night or a Saturday night, I'll let you know. But we're going to have another drawing for our YouTube followers. Okay, so if you didn't have a chance to follow me in time for that first drawing on Periscope, then go to YouTube and follow me, subscribe to my channel, Global MyCVH Network. Global MyCVH Network. Okay, and subscribe. And this weekend, I'm going to conduct a free drawing, once again, for all my subscribers on that channel. That everybody that's there right now, and everyone that subscribes to my channel between now and then. Simple. So that's going to be the free drawing. So I'm going to wipe out everyone there, and everyone that's there covered you, because if you follow me for the great content I have there, then that's a fine thing. You just got into the drawing, you know, without any other necessity. But those of you who missed the Periscope one, you got the chance to follow me on YouTube. So go there and do that. Then the following week, I'll have another free drawing. Again, either Saturday night or Sunday night. And I will do that for Twitch. My viewers on Twitch, my followers, not viewers. So it's not enough for you to look at me. On Twitch, you got to subscribe to the channel, follow me. And that channel is Play Pay Box. Play Pay Box. Okay? Play with the L, Play Pay Box. Okay? So you follow me on Twitch, and all my followers will be entered for the free drawing. That will be in 2 weeks on a weekend on Twitch. Okay? That will be the last free drawing that I will offer like that. You know, in terms of letting you know it's going to happen. I may do another one down the road. We'll see. But that will be the last free one. But even if you don't win any of those, after that we will have almost a daily drawing where you can enter that drawing for $10. Now, it's not that you're paying for the drawing. So let me explain that. You're paying for the basic membership. The basic membership in our program is $25 a month. This is the strategy. Now listen up, I'm going to give you a winning strategy here. But what we'll be doing after these final free drawings are done, you'll have a chance to pay the $10 and get a 1 month access to a $25 per month membership in our program. So you'll have access for a whole month, and you'll save $15. So it's like a $15 discount I'm giving you just for watching me on either one of these 3 channels. Now, so you put in the $10, and that's what you're getting. You're paying for the membership. It's more than a, you know, you're paying for $10 of a $25 regular price, which is a fantastic deal. So remember what I told you. I said it's a 5-month training program. you will begin your training. You see, what you need to do is that since I'm doing this thing daily, what you want to do is that you want to do your $10. You want to try. See? In this case, it doesn't matter if you lose the drawing because you're gaining. And I'm going to show you why. Because after you do the $10, you get your membership. That's what you're paying for. And as a little bonus, I'm adding you into the drawing. Now, the drawing, all it does is it gives you an opportunity to upgrade. So you're getting an upgrade if you win it. So what happens? You have your $10 that you put in the first time, and you didn't win. So you have your monthly membership. You have a month of membership. You're saving $15. Great. Let's say the next night you try it again. You go and you put in another 10 for the drawing. And again, you're putting in another 10 for another month of membership to the $25 per month membership. You're saving now another $15, and altogether you save $30 from the regular members fee. So that's the second time, and you lost again. You didn't win. And you do it the third time, and you do it the fourth time, and you do it the fifth time. When you did it the 5 times, what do you have? You have your training program covered. You just brought into this program. It would have cost you $25 per month normally, but now you got into it at only $10 per month. So you're ahead. You are ahead of the game. So that's a wonderful thing. So this is a way for you to get in at more than 50%. Well, you know, it's $10 and you're saving $15. That's easily, what is it? 5 and 3 would be $80. You're saving a total of $80 in 5 days that we make that offer to you and put your name in the drawing. And you're such a sore loser, not a sore loser, but you're bad luck. Your bad luck is so overwhelming that all you do is you just lose, but you win because you're still saving the $15. But this is not the worth of it, and not the worth of it. I'm saying that that's nothing, because your training program helps you build up your wallet to $50,000 worth in crypto. So, and that's done in 5 months. So here you've lost because you have terrible luck, yet you save $15 a month on our $25 membership, plus you are qualifying for up to $50,000 in crypto. It's a win-win situation, totally a win-win situation. So that's what you have to look at. So you're winning either way you look at it. And you have so much to win at that. So now that's it. When you participate in your training program and you make up to $50,000 in crypto, you're set. Now, none of your money is being used to purchase crypto. You're not buying any crypto. That's all. It's just production from your performance in the training program, and that is it. And so now you don't have to worry any longer, anything in crypto. What happens is that after that, you do whatever you are going to do, your strategy. We give you some training, some information, some suggestions, but other than that, that's all it is. And you keep doing it. You keep working in your membership, and you continue to add Bitcoin or cryptocurrency to your account. Never ending. Just keep going. And that is the best scenario with bad luck that you can have. The market can have bad luck, and you're fine, because that means more Bitcoin is bought while you earn it. That's it. More crypto is bought as you earn it. So that's a good thing. And again, our strategy is hodling, or literally holding, until the level is reached where we expect it to go comfortably for us, where we say, I'm going out of this coin or whatnot, and then you cash out. Again, that's up to you. We're not involved in that in any way. It's your wallet. You do with it what you like. Okay, it's only that we don't suggest the typical manner of trading back and forth and doing all that thing, because that just adds stress to it, and there's no need. You need more Bitcoin. The system builds the Bitcoin with you. Simple. You don't need to do that in order to raise your income. Your income is always continually being raised, okay, in this program, without adding any of your money to it. Alright, so that makes it simple. So I just described to you the worst scenario for those of you who have the worst luck of all. This is your time, baby. This is your time. You have the worst luck. Nothing ever works for you. This is built on the worst luck, okay? You don't have to have any luck. You don't have to win any of the premium upgrades. You still win because you're saving $15 each time. It's the only way to do it. Otherwise, you would have to pay the $25 a month to be in this program. But here, you can get it for $10. That's it. And win a month of membership. So you do it for every month. And actually, you can continue doing that until you win, until your luck changes, right? And you win a year's worth of basic membership, or a year's worth of pro level membership, which is the real thing. That's the one to really get if you don't do the mine. And winning the mine is really the jackpot. It really is the jackpot. So if the mine is what's being drawn on that night and you guys win it, really good. That's really, you can't say you have bad luck when you do that. That'll be a really good thing for you. Okay, so I'll be giving more information about each of the memberships as we go along, but like I said, you don't have much time waiting for me to do the videos. I do hundreds of videos a day, different channels, different things. What you really need to do is subscribe, follow, Periscope. But if you want the drawing, the free drawing, you need to do the YouTube, Global MyCBH network, and then you need to do the Twitch, play, pay, box, and follow there to be able to participate in the free drawings. And again, that'll be this weekend at some time, either Saturday night or Sunday night. And for the free drawings, you don't have to be watching to win it, but in the paid drawings you do. Does it make sense that you pay to pay for the membership and you're not at the drawing? It's really silly. Okay, so you'll have to claim it live when we do the paid membership purchases. Okay, then give you the drawing. So you need to be there. These free ones is just simply to give my longtime followers a chance, so that no one can say I didn't give them a chance. They were always following me. So that's the way I handle it. So now we're giving the free ones, and all of the followers on the channel are automatically enrolled when we do the free drawing. After that, then it's only by payment and purchasing the basic membership to our crypto program, or precious metals, whichever one you want, and you get a basic membership for 1 month for $10, a $15 savings. So that's a great thing. All right, so I wanted to let you guys know, give you an update on that, what's happening. Again, you know, a lot of you are spending your money in crypto, and you really didn't have to do that. And at this point, I don't see why any of you, even if you have a few $1,000s in crypto, if you want to be intelligent, I would join my program and start replacing your investment. Simply, this is the best way for you. If you have, let's say you have $50,000 in crypto right now of your own money, I would join my program. I would do the qualifying training phase, 5 months, and do my darndest to get that $50,000 payout. And once I have that 50,000, simply I would sell out my investment, the money that I spent into the space, and take it out. So return that, take out any profits you earned, because now you're replacing it with the money, with the gold, I'm sorry, with the Bitcoin and crypto or gold that you have gained through this program. And now you will be risk and stress free. It's a way for you to get yourself stress free. So now you have your money. You have your money. Okay? So now you don't have to stress it. And you're still in the game. Okay? Except that, as I suggest to you, you use hodling as your strategy, and you set your limit in terms of how high will trigger you to sell, and again to take out profit from the profit you're making already in this program without any further risk to you. So you're not risking anything. And again, that's like play money. It's play money. It's money for playing. It's money to hodl, to leave there, forget about it until it hits the mark that you want it to hit, and then bring it out. You see? What do you do after that? You can come meet me on my yacht. That's what I would do, simply, and that's that. Again, you guys are invested. Let me tell you another issue that you guys are doing. You guys are investing your own money, number one. Number two, the majority of you have limited funds. Simply, you have a limited investment. Even if you do well, Bitcoin goes up eventually and really gives you a good payday. That's it. You're done, right? You understand that? In our program, it keeps making for you, because our program has in it a recurring crypto creation, recurring crypto, adding to your account. So really, you're always making crypto in our program. There's no reason for you to ever just like cash out and you're done. There's no reason for it. There's no need for it. Even when you cash out, because in our program you can do 2 or 3 different cryptos or more, and one of them, they're not all going to hit the high mark at the same time. And then there's others that you may still want to do. I know there will come a point, more or less, that crypto will either become more like gold is now, or it will just not make any sense anymore for you to really be bothering your time with it. But the one thing for sure right now is that crypto is in its gold rush phase and in its oil rush phase, if you will, when people were going around drilling oil wells and striking it rich. This is the time. And it's time for you to mine. It's time for you to open your mind and to lay out your claim, stake your claim in this space. And now you can do it even without any significant money, because you don't need any money to invest in this program. This is a no investment program, no stress, no worries. Simply join, get trained, be happy. Okay, and with the drawings that I have, you can always have a winning add a mine or a pro level membership in any other coin. That's the other issue as well. You can win other coin payouts with the drawings that I'll be doing. So it's really worth it for you, because at the bottom line is that you'll get another month of membership at saving $15. If you can win another membership for a coin, another for a different coin, you understand that? You get a year without having paying any extra money for another coin, so you can explore that coin for that year. So there's a lot of, it's just there's a lot of opportunity here to really expand your coin base, and to explore other coins, and to allow yourself to profit from and participating in all the coins that you want without risking your money. Simple as that. Because even the $10, well, but you still have to pay the $10. You're getting a membership. You're paying for something. You're getting something. You're not putting it in as just as a drawing. You're getting a membership at $15 off. Wonderful. So you're getting something for it. It's not like you're not getting anything and you lose. No, you win. You win $10, $15 off a regular monthly membership. And remember, once you have, if you have already a standing membership in, let's say you have Bitcoin, and when you have a whole year, you won a pro level and you got the whole year Bitcoin already paid for. If you enter the drawing again at $10 and you win or lose, doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. Winning is better, but even if you lose, you still get another month, I should say, in another coin. See? So that's the way for you to start adding other coins to try to build up in those coins using, and again, you want to do that once every coin. You want to do it, start adding up for another coin using that same system. And again, when you add another coin, that's another 5-month training program. You understand? Even if you took the training already, you still have a 5-month qualifying window where you can earn the $50,000. So it's like another chance of getting another $50,000 worth in. So if you did it, let's say the first 5 months you did Bitcoin, so you did whatever you did up to $50,000, fine. You go into another one of my daily drawings at that time, and you start with another coin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, whatever, Doge, whatever, and you do the same thing. We don't have to give you the training again, but you do have 5 months to qualify for the $50,000. So you get up there, you do your thing for 5 months, and you qualify for up to $50,000. So you can, you can rack it in. This is a really good method for you to really get into the space big time without risking any money. So then what happens after that? After that, you gotta now think if you have time to have another coin, or you want to just reserve it now for your re-qualifier for your Bitcoin, the first one. Because in about 2 months' time, then starts a new phase, a yearly phase. Remember, every year you start a qualifying 5-month phase. So within those 5 months, you need to build up a re-qualifying for up to another $50,000. So this is the way that you keep adding 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000 every year. And then if you have other coins, other memberships that you've been leveraging, so then those also you can add 50,000, 50,000. You can really, if you're doing the training correctly, and you really become really good at it, you can start really amassing a lot of cryptocurrency without investing your own money. So this is really important that you understand that this is not without investing your own money. I mean, somebody who's really sharp and moving it can really, yes, you can do $1,000,000 in using this system without even waiting for the $1,000,000 to be realized with Bitcoin. Can you imagine that you're adding every year $50,000 per coin that you're a member of? So think about that. And then using the drawings, because the drawings will give you access at a lower fee until you win like the pro level or you win the mine. When you win the mine, that's outrageous. So it's a way for you to get into crypto without your own money being invested in crypto. Yes, there are membership fees, but we're talking about risking. You're getting something. You're getting membership. You're getting training. You're getting assistance. You are getting a lot of value. So you're buying a product. Simply membership and a lot of training and a lot of support. So you're getting that. So but it's not investing in any of the cryptocurrency. That's the point. So you can feel good. You spent your $10 here, or even if you go just buy into it, you get your $25 a month, or you get the software for the pro level. You just buy into that without having to wait for any drawings or anything like that. I mean, you're getting a product you would already have gotten somewhere else, but without all the benefits you're getting with this one. And simply, you just start earning Bitcoin and earning crypto, and you just keep doing that. You can really amass a lot of value, a lot of worth. It's like I said, I did a video, and you'll probably see it sometime on the channel, depending which channel you're on. Probably YouTube. YouTube's the safest one for you guys to make sure you get everything I do. Most of the stuff I do. So I did a video and I showed an example of taking one of these garbage coins. Taking a garbage coin, it's like 8 cents each. And I showed you how with just a dollar in increase, $1, you can make a whole lot of money without investing using our program. It's just too easy. Right now, it's just too easy to make a lot of money. I'm talking about getting up there and getting into the millions of dollars, especially if you'll need to rehear my video, this one particular. Rehear it. Take down the notes of how to proceed, and you will change your life and your family's life and your family name forever. This issue with crypto, it's going to easily, without program, more so than these investors out there. Most of you guys are a little bit. You guys are in it, and you're limited by the amount of money you've put into, even a few $1,000s. You say, oh, that's not a little bit. I got a few $1,000s, but realize that a few $1,000s is only getting you, if you're getting even a Bitcoin, it's only getting you a few Bitcoins. And realize that in this program, every year, at minimum, you should be making 5 Bitcoins, depending on the price. If it goes down to 4,000, you'll be making 12 Bitcoins that year. I mean, you can amass a lot of Bitcoins in this program, just in the basic things of it. We're not talking about the pro level. We're not talking about you putting more than 15 minutes a day into it. We're not talking about you doing the drawings and getting more coins, more different altcoins into your portfolio. We're not talking about that. We're talking about the simple one thing only. I mean, this is absolutely your best opportunity to get into this space and to be safe. Because you see me, I'm giddy. I'm happy, but everybody in crypto is not happy today, particularly. Let's look and see. is still in the 9,800 area level. Some people lost a lot of money between overnight with Bitcoin overnight, and they lost it before. If you had gone into it before, I know some people bought Bitcoin when it was what was it, 15, 14, and now it's back down. You were hoping it was going up. It was going up, and you were hoping it would at least come back up so you can be at the level where you bought into it, and it's just falling down again. It's as they say, dumping. People are dumping, and again, this is happening because of the way you guys are approaching Bitcoin. You're your own worst enemy. If you use the method that we're implementing, we're the best thing for Bitcoin right now. Our program is the best thing for Bitcoin and for all of cryptocurrency. And you would do well if you stop trying to do what everyone else is doing and start thinking sensibly, because in our method, we do better. The cryptocurrencies fare better with our philosophy. And all the economists, those that are really good economists, they all agree with the methods that we are implementing, that it is the best method. And the methods that we have promote a more stable crypto over the long term. And that will help everybody. But as long as you guys are taking this risk and it's throwing in your own money into the space, and then you're sweating it, then you're pulling out every little hiccup, that's what's making it worse. You guys are making it worse for yourselves and for others, simply. So, so what is it going to cost you? Get in the drawing. I mean, is it really? Every single trader should be in my program. It's just simple. You should be in this program. It makes no sense not to be in it. Absolutely no sense not to be in it. Go to classiforium.com, 50K job 5D, get yourself in the game. And my recommendation, if you're having a rough time with these up and downs, is replace with the money you earn in our program and the crypto that you get in our program. Start taking out your money that you're sweating. You're sweating it, so take it out. And then the money that you earn and you continue to earn through our program, you don't have anything to worry about it. That's it. It's just simple. Go about your life, do other things, buy real estate, do other things. Invest in our gold program, do our gold program, and you can do trading in gold and precious metals, which gives you that trading thing, and you can have fun with that all you like. But get your stuff out of the crypto and replace it with the earnings from our program, and keep adding altcoins to your program, to our program, your membership in our program. That's the best way to do this. The best way, absolutely, hands down. There's no reason for you to continue doing it the way you're doing. It's just no reason at all. All right. Okay, so I'm going to be busy now making some commercials. I have to make some 30-second spots for our mining programs. I'm going to get busy doing that, and I'll catch you guys later. Here's the URL again for those who are not going to waste any more time and want to get started with this, is to go to classiforium.com, 50K job 5D. 50K job 5D, classiforium.com, and get yourself started in our program, and that's it. Everything else we'll talk to you inside the members area as you get started on your training program and start adding Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to your portfolio. Replace your stressed out money and give yourself a break. And be in it in a bigger way, because there's a limit to how much money you have, right? But we're making more money for you. See, and you can get more altcoins, and and be more in the program without. And your bank account, guess what? Stays the same. Your wallet stays the same. I'm talking about your pocket, your cash wallet there, right? Your savings account, your retirement, all that stays the same. See that? So it doesn't matter if it goes up or down. Like me, it doesn't matter to me. Right now, it could care less. It can go down to 50 cents. Every Bitcoin it doesn't faze me, because I know, first of all, because it's not my money. It's not any money off my kids' plate. It's not changing anything about me, where I live or how I live or anything else. It doesn't do anything. And secondly, I have the belief that it will go up to a significant height, and I believe it'll go up to $1 million. But that's just my belief, and it doesn't matter, because either way, I'm not investing my money anyway. And if it does happen, I am going to be super filthy wealthy. Simple. See that? That's the best way to be. See? So I'm hoping that more of you will, it'll sink in. You know that? I should be the same. I should get divest of my sweet money, divest, replacing it with the money you earn in our program. And that's that simple. It keeps adding money. You keep doing your 15 minutes. It keeps adding money. Keep adding. You do other altcoins. Do the drawing. Go through my video again. You understand that process, and you start adding other altcoins to your holdings. And with those coins, you don't have to wait till they get $1 million. It's not going to happen. So, okay? Those coins are not, and if it does, listen, but I don't have that expectation for those coins. I do have expectations from lower ones. That's all you need. Because if you get $50,000 worth, which you can get through our program, you don't need much. You don't need much height to make a killing. You don't need much. It's a few dollars. Ripple, I showed how with Ripple you could be a multimillionaire just for it to go up to like $4 or $5. And it was almost there a few days ago. So you don't need much in this, folks. But you do need to sleep at night. So do this program. Sleep at night, wake up in the morning, 15 minutes, you're good to go. Have fun. Until our next one, take care.